Hey guys, as I'm releasing Diwali series this time, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do facial at home very easily with very easy products available at your home. So here I'm going to tell you the rice facial. You can do it by using only the rice. The main ingredient is rice. So this is very easy facial and very effective. As you know that Koreans, Japanese use this facial for glowing skin, but their environment is also good. But yeah, this facial is very effective. So yeah, let's get started. For this facial there are 3 steps, and the first one is scrubbing. For scrubbing we have to take rice. The first main ingredient is rice. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of rice or as per required by you. So yeah, this is the first ingredient, this is the main ingredients, and this will enhance the glow in your skin. I'm not in the favor of fair skin or white skin. I'm in favor of all type of skin, but the glow is very important in your skin. So after that I'm using honey here. Take good quantity of honey as compared to the rice. Honey is also good for removing pimples, removing pigmentation from your skin. And after that I'm using lemon here. Lemon will remove all the dirt, dead cells from your skin, and it has vitamin C and citric acid which will remove pigmentation from your skin and makes your skin glowy. Now the last ingredient is raw milk. Raw milk is very good cleansing agent. So the first step is scrubbing, and cleansing is very important part of the facial. So I am using raw milk here. Mix it well, make a good consistency, not very thick. As we all know that Diwali is few days away from now, so we have to prepare ourselves from now onwards, and this is very important to clean our body, to make our face glowy for the festive season. So yeah, let's get started. For this I'm using wet towel. This is hot wet towel, and I'm using this process for 2 to 3 minutes to open my pores. This process will also enhance the blood circulation in your skin. So yeah, this is very important before starting any facial. Now this process is done, and now it's time to apply the scrub. So for this I'm using the scrub which we have prepared earlier. Don't apply this scrub very tightly on your skin, just do it gently on your skin for 5 to 6 minutes. This process will also increase your blood circulation in your skin, makes your skin glowy, removes the pigmentation, because many ingredients present in the scrub are very helpful for skin, and this scrub has no side effects as there is no chemical. All are the natural products. So yeah, please try it once. Using rice is very common in Korean and Japanese countries. They are using this method from ancient time, from decades, and this is the beauty secret of their skin. As we all know that their skin are the best skin in the world, glowy skin without pigmentation, smooth. Rice is the best scrub because it has harsh particles. It will remove the pigmentation, it will remove the dead cells, dirt from your skin. As we have used lemon here, lemon have citric acid which also have the property to remove pigmentation, pimple marks, and anything skin related problems. And after that we have used honey. Honey is the best beauty secret agent because it enhances the blood circulation, it enhances the glow of your skin. So yeah, all the products we have used here are very important for skin and have no side effects as these are natural products. So yeah, repeat this process 2 times or 3 times in a week till the Diwali, and if you want to continue it, you can use it once a week. This is very effective and has no side effects. Now it's done, and you can leave it for 3 to 4 minutes, and after that you have to wash your face with warm water, lukewarm water. Now I have washed my face and I am just wiping my face with the same towel, that hot wet towel. Now the second step is massage. Massaging face is very important step in facial. So for this I am using the main ingredient rice, 1 to 2 tablespoon of rice as required by you. So here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of rice. After that I have taken 1 tablespoon of gram flour. This is also a very good beauty agent. So these are the two ingredients. After that I am using curd here. Curd will massage your skin very nicely, very smoothly. So this is important. Curd also has citric acid that will clean your skin. And the last product I have used here is coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can go for almond oil, but pure almond oil. So yeah, mixed it with this mixture. So this is the consistency of massage. I have used coconut oil for a smooth facial experience. And yeah, coconut oil also have many benefits for your skin. So this is the consistency. Now just massage it for 10 to 15 minutes. In the process of massage, you have to massage your skin in upward circular motion on your cheeks. So this is the method of massage. Now on forehead, you have to press one side and just drag on the other side. Knowing the real technique of massaging is very important, so follow the steps which I am following in this video. And you know that rice has anti-aging properties. It will remove wrinkles if you have wrinkles around your eyes or you have wrinkles on your face. So it will remove the wrinkles. It has anti-aging properties and smoothen your skin, tighten your skin and improve the blood circulation. So the rice is the very important ingredient in beauty secret. So yeah, these are the steps. After that I am just rounding my fingers over my eyes very gently. Now repeat this process 2 or 3 times in a week. I hope you all are liking the facial process, and if you find this very effective and very easy to apply facial at home, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel for more updates. As I'm releasing Diwali series this time because Diwali is few days away from now. So yeah, this is very important to pamper your skin. Now this process is almost done and you can leave it for 2 to 3 minutes if you want and rinse off your face with warm water, lukewarm water. Now I just washed my face and wiping my face with the towel. This is hot wet towel. Now the third method is toning. Toning is very important because we have opened our pores with the hot wet towel at the beginning. So toning is very important to close the pores. So for preparing toner, I have used rice here and soak it for 30 minutes. And after that, after 30 minutes, I am just draining out the water from this. And you have to use this water only for toner and you can store it for 1 week if you want. So for toning, I am using cotton here and just dip in the toner which we have prepared. This is very easy. And apply it on your face. You can apply it and leave it just like that. You don't have to wash your face again and again. And the good part of the toner is you can apply it overnight so that it closes the pores which are opened earlier and it blocks the entrance of the dirt particles, pollutants. So if your skin is prone to pimples, blemishes, it will also reduce that. And if you find this process and facial effective, easy and cheapest, so subscribe to my channel and press the thumbs up button for more updates. I am releasing Diwali series this time, so stay tuned with my channel. And yeah, happy Diwali in advance. Till then, bye bye.